Assalamualaikum kids, how are you all? I hope you all are perfectly fine and I'm also good. Today we are going to do activity. We are going to match big miniature objects with their beginning sounds. Let's begin. Cat. What's the beginning sound of cat? K. Brinjal. What's the beginning sound of brinjal? B. Octopus. Beginning sound of octopus? O. X. What's the beginning sound of X? E. Dog. Beginning sound of dog? D. Zebra. Beginning sound of zebra? Z. Jug. Beginning sound of jug? J. Fish. Beginning sound of fish? Wow, grapes. Grapes. Beginning sound of grapes? G. Rat. Beginning sound of rat? R. Oh, a snake. Beginning sound of a snake? S. Lion. Lion. Lion is the king of jungle. And the beginning sound of lion? L. Turtle. Turtle. Beginning sound of turtle? T. Elephant. Elephant. Beginning sound of elephant? Eh. Pigeon. Pigeon. Beginning sound of pigeon? P. P. Wow. Injection. Injection. Beginning sound of injection? E. Have a look. We have done the beginning sounds. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.